One of the things about my Coleman cooler that I love is the size. It's great. However, the lid is not insulated and it will not keep ice and drinks cold as long as it should. One of the great tricks is to insulate your lid. You could do that by some expandable insulation foam. Just get a drill and you could drill out different locations, fill it with foam, and then clean off the edges, and it greatly improves the insulation capability of your cooler. Here we go. And there you go. I just pre-drilled out some holes. Shake the plastic off. And you have your shake up. And you just insert until it starts coming back at the top here. It might actually pop out the other holes, so that'd be pretty good. It's taking quite a lot, but you don't want it to pump out too much. It's going to expand. You can always fill it back up more. This will wipe this up while it's still wet. And there you go. Just wait for that all to dry up. You can wipe that up while it's still wet. It'll greatly enhance your cooling capabilities for your cooler. Good luck.